This project connects Mombasa to Malaba on the border with Uganda and runs all the way to Kigali in Rwanda, with a branch line to Juba in South Sudan. But that's not all. This project is also Kenya's largest infrastructure project since independence in 1963. Join us as we delve into the details of this epic railway project, from the construction process to the benefits it offers to Kenya and its neighboring countries. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer magnitude of this engineering marvel and learn why it has been recognized as one of the world's best railway projects. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a suspenseful journey through the Mombasa-Nairobi Standard Gauge Railway project. Welcome to this video where we will be discussing the Mombasa-Nairobi Standard Gauge Railway project. Before we move, we would like to take a moment to invite you to subscribe to our channel, JeRi. Our channel explores recent development projects in Africa and around the world, bringing you the latest news and insights. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest content. So hit that subscribe button now and join our community of viewers who are passionate about development and progress. This project is one of the biggest infrastructure projects in Kenya and aims to connect Mombasa to Malaba on the border with Uganda, and further run to Kampala, Uganda's capital city. It will also run to Kigali in Rwanda with a branch line to Juba in South Sudan. Branch lines along the route will extend to Kisumu, Kasese, and Pakwach. The SGR project was conceived as a flagship project under the Kenya Vision 2030 development agenda. It aims to simplify transport operations across the borders and reduce travel costs, in addition to benefiting the economies of Kenya and the neighboring countries. The SGR project is also Kenya's largest infrastructure project since independence in 1963. Built and operated by China Road and Bridge Corporation, a subsidiary of China Communications Construction Company, the project kicked off in December 2014 and was completed 2.5 years ahead of schedule. It was officially opened in May 2017 and was shortlisted by American Engineering Magazine, Engineering News Record as the world's best railway project in 2018. The single-track standard gauge railway between Mombasa and Nairobi has a route length of around 480 kilometers and a total length of 609 kilometers. It runs through the counties of Mombasa, Kilifi, Kwale, Taita Taveta, Makueni, Kajiado, Machakos, and Nairobi. The Class 1 line runs parallel to the existing meter gauge railway and the Mombasa-Nairobi highway for the most part. It deviates at certain points to attain the desired gradient and curvature. The construction of the line involved long viaducts, deep cuttings, and high embankments to ensure safe operations across the steep incline and rugged terrain of the Miritini to Mazura section. With 120 kilometers of the line traversing through Kenya's Tsavo National Park, 14 wildlife channels were also built. Terminal passenger stations are located at Mombasa and Nairobi, while intermediate stations are located at Mariakani, Voi, Tito Ande, Sultan Hamid, Athi River, Amali, Mayasingi, and Kibwezi. Diesel railcars currently run on the Mombasa-Nairobi SGR line, while plans of electrification are in the pipeline. Multiple unit passenger trains having a capacity of 960 passengers operate at an average speed of 120 kilometers/ on the line. Freight trains with a capacity of 216 TEUs travel at an average speed of 80 kilometers per hour on the Mombasa-Nairobi line. A typical freight train on the line comprises 54 double-stacked flat wagons and measures 880 meters long. China supplied initial rolling stock to Kenya, comprising 56 diesel locomotives, 1,620 wagons, and 40 coaches. The railway line is designed to carry 22 million tons a year of cargo, or a projected 40% of Mombasa port throughput by 2035. The freight terminals will be located at the Mombasa port and the inland container depots at Embakasi in Nairobi. The Mombasa-Nairobi SGR is expected to bring numerous benefits to Kenya and the neighboring countries. The SGR project will simplify transport operations across the borders and reduce travel costs, in addition to benefiting the economies of Kenya and the neighboring countries. The SGR line shortens passenger travel time from Mombasa to Nairobi from more than 10 hours to a little more than 4 hours. Freight trains complete the journey in less than 8 hours. This will improve the efficiency of transportation of goods and services and reduce the cost of transportation. By June 30, 2019, the SGR had transported 3 million passengers and 5 million tons of freight in 761 days of safe operation. At present, the SGR operates 4 passenger trains and 14 freight trains daily, with the average occupancy rate of the passenger trains being over 90%. More than 300 local enterprises and 1,200 local suppliers participated in the construction of the SGR, together creating more than 46,000 direct and indirect jobs, and also more than 90% of the employees are locals. The project has also trained 5,000 local personnel in railway operation and maintenance. The Mombasa-Nairobi Standard Gauge Railway project is a valuable investment for Kenya and the neighboring countries. It will improve transport operations, reduce travel costs, and benefit the economies of the countries involved. The SGR is also a significant milestone in Kenya's development plan, Kenya Vision 2030, which seeks to transform Kenya into an industrialized and middle-income country by 2030. The completion of this project is a testament to the capabilities of modern engineering and the importance of cross-border cooperation in achieving significant development goals. Leave us a comment about the significance of this SGR line to the Kenyan people and Africa as a whole. Also hit the like button if you loved the video, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for future videos.